What's up, everyone? And in today's real estate news for multipliers, we talk about the reception of the highly anticipated stimulus check, the single family rent growth, and remote work migration surge. What's up, tribe? And in case you missed it, Sunday evening, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell announced a $900 billion stimulus deal. Lawmakers officially plan to pass the bill today. Today is December 21st, 2020. And according to an interview with Mitch McConnell, Americans can expect to receive their direct pay stimulus checks of $600 before end of the year. Just by way of reminder, it's $600 per person, kids included in that amount, but not kids in college or outside of college or elderly adult dependents. In economic news hitting this week, we see a few things that are important to note. Number one, the Federal Reserve is raising its outlook for 2021. It increased its GDP forecast to 4.2%. And by the way, that's up from a prior forecast of 4%. 2020 is expected to close with a GDP of, get this, 2.4%, which is amazing consider everything that we've been through in 2020 COVID craziness. Now, regarding real estate, the U.S. Census Bureau reported a 1.2% increase in housing starts last month to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.55 million, which is 13% higher than a year ago and the highest since 2007. Permit applications were also up at 2007 levels. They jumped 6.2%. And one of the things that we see is the indication that the pace of residential construction is only going to continue. Mortgage rates, well, they dropped. If you didn't think they could, they dropped again to an all-time low. Freddie Mac says the average 30-year was at 2.6%. and the 15-year at 2.2. Folks, could we get to a place where we are below 2%? Well, no one thought we could get at 2.2, but now we are at 2.2. A surge in demand for single-family housing is pushing rents higher for higher end homes. So for those that are watching in the DC metro area, this is good news for you because many of the homes fit that exact bill. They are now rising faster than before the pandemic. CoreLogic Single Family Rent Index shows a 3.1% year over year increase in single family rent growth. Rent rates had slowed a bit, but as the economy opened back up and businesses released workers to work remotely, demand grew for larger single-family rentals. Another survey by Homes.com indicates one of the things that we've been watching, which is a surge in migration patterns. What this survey showed is how the work from home trend is increasing demand for single-family homes. 45% of consumers would move if they had the opportunity to work remotely. 20% of those participants had stated that they had already moved within the past year because they were able to work remotely. Survey includes responses for over 1,000 consumers and 600 real estate professionals. Now, on the consumer side, 40% said they had moved or were planning to move more than 100 miles away, while 50% said they were planning on moving further than 500 miles away. Now, as an investor, I think this is an important data point to track in the coming year because real estate, just like so many other things, is an issue, a game of supply and demand. And migration patterns are changing significantly due to the legitimacy of virtual work. That's a wrap, folks, for this week's real estate news for multipliers. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great holiday, and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.